Let's talk a little bit about vision and just what exactly it entails. Vision describes what your product will look like when it gets to its final state. It explains the essence of your product, what it'll do, and why it matters to your users. And generally, your vision should be able to be summarized in a sentence or two with an ambitious goal. For example, the vision for Google Wi-Fi was to create a wireless access point that people love. This is a simple and powerful vision, and it was something that guided every single decision as we were building the product. But vision is more than just coming up with a sentence or two. You need to do the work to create a compelling story that answers what you're building, who it's for, and why it matters. You'll need to leverage a lot of the research and insights that you've already done in order to do this. But remember, it's best to keep your vision high level. You don't need to get super into the details of exactly what it'll look like. Instead, just focus on what it will do at a high level. Vision is really important for a couple of reasons. First, it gets the team excited and motivated about building the product. And secondly, vision serves as a North Star to guide the team and decision-making as your product is being developed. And as the North Star, everything that you do should trickle down from your vision. This includes strategy, which is about how you're going to get to your vision. We'll talk more about strategy in a little bit, as well as the features that are on your roadmap. Because vision will impact every single aspect of your product, it's really important to be thoughtful when you're crafting your vision.